can say this autopilot at home 50. Today is 5th of September 2022. You can see this shopping center. Everywhere silent. People are just brushing part of the shop. Nobody. Everybody's sitting at home. Everybody's tight. It's tight. Sit down is tight here. It's tight. Tight. We need to be free. Sit at home. Today is 5th of October. 6th of September. 6th of September. 6th of September. 6th of September. This is reported from Abia State. The shopping center, the international market in Abia State. Shopping center, Ekpa.
Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and share it back to our people. We are not staying longer. Thank you so much for joining. Ekpa, I see you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for joining. Please click on the like, smash on the like. Indeed, it is joyful mode indeed. The way the song was going and he was dancing, popping in the moet, that was her super chat flowing like water. It is a moment
so
of joy.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.